In this tutorial I'm going to create a cashier controller inside a controller folder, and there will be a CRUD functions: create cashier, update cashier, and edit cashier, delete cashier. There are 4 functions. For now I am returning nil because the error throws while the function did not return anything. So that's it. And in the params there will be a context, fiber context, and the return type there will be an error. I will change it later accordingly. It would be best if we can use a capital letter in the first the function start. So now creates routes for that. There will be a post route, get route, delete, and put. These are the routes which I have created for the cashier CRUD operations. There is one function missing, get cashier details, for getting specific cashier detail. So I have created that as well, and for now I am returning nil. So let's test first the cashier list. Either the controller function returns perfect response. So for now I am returning cashier list string. Let's start the server and request from postman to test. So I will be pasting here localhost :3001/cashiers. It would be a get request. So let's send, and the return is cashier list. So controller is working perfectly. So now implement the create cashier functions logic. First I will creating a data variable. For now I am passing a JSON body parser to the create functions, and then I will get it inside the function. So how can I get it? First I will create a data variable with a var keyword. Its type or will be map string, and now I am checking if there is an error while passing from the postman post request. Then I will catch that error and handle it. Here I will write a check if error not equals to nil. It means there is an error. So I will return status 400 bad request with a JSON fiber map. And here I will be passing 2 parameters: success equals to false and message equals to error message invalid data. So in the next I will be checking inside data the name is empty or not. If equals to empty, I will throw an error as well that the field is data name is required. Similarly for the post code as well, and the success would be false in failure case. So here in data I can check passcode as well. If both are empty, then the validation will throw an error back to the server request. And that's it. And the next I am going to save that specific data in my database. So here I will access the cashier model, cashiers variable I have created, and then I access models.cashier. Inside cashier model there are 4 fields: name, passcode, and created at and updated at. So here I will ignore the ID because it's creation phase, and here I am passing data name and passcode from data requests, and that's it. In the next I will accessing a data config. Here in my config there is a db, which is a golang object. I will access it, and there will be functions for create, and I will pass that cashier. It will save that cashier in my database, and now I'm going to return this requested data to the back to the client. So here I have write 200 status with a JSON fiber map, and the success is true. The message would be cashier added or created successfully, and the third param is data, which is coming from the client side. I will throws back to the cashier data back to the client as well. So let's start the server and test it. That's it, the user is created successfully, and we have successfully created our first cashier. Thank you so much for watching. We'll go next on the next video. Thanks.